Hello students, this is Shweta Roy. This video is for chapter 5 part 2 globes and maps. In this video we are going to discuss about latitudes, important parallels of latitude, longitude, features of meridians. So these are some of the topics which we are going to discuss in this video. Our first topic is latitudes. Now a latitude gives the position or location of a place from the equator. We already know equator is an imaginary line that runs through the center of the earth, and it is the largest latitude on the earth which divides the earth into two equal parts, that is northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. And the latitudes give the position or location of a place from the equator. Now, what is parallel of latitudes? Parallel of latitude is an imaginary line encircling the earth and joining all places which have the same latitude. Here you can see in the picture, you can see the red color equator which is dividing the earth into two equal parts. Upper one is northern hemisphere and downwards you can see the southern hemisphere. Now you can see many latitudes on this picture. They are known as parallels. The latitudes are parallels. Parallels means they run side by side. They never match. They have similar distance between that. They maintain the similar distance, same distance, and they are parallel. They never meet each other. So you can see the parallel latitudes. Equator is 0 degree. Then you can see if you go upwards 10 degree north, 20 degree north, 30 degree north, 40 degree north, 50 degree north, 60 degree north, 70 degree north, 80 degree north, and at 90 degree you have the north pole. The same way when you go downwards you have 10 degrees south, 20 degrees south, like this, and at last you will have the 90 degrees south, which is south pole. So you can see, and this measurement is taken as per the equator, and as they run parallel they are known as parallel of latitude. Now we can see some of the facts about the line of latitude. So latitude are known as parallels. As they run parallels, they run in an east-west direction, measure distance north or south from the equator. That means it divides the earth into two parts, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. They are parallel to one another, they never meet. They cross the prime meridian at right angles. They make a 90-degree angle. Lie in planes that cross the Earth's axis at right angles. Now they get shorter towards the poles, with only the equator the longest great circle. So equator is the largest latitude, but when you see this, it is decreasing. When you go upwards towards the north pole, you can see it is decreasing. At the north pole, you can see a very small circle. So these are some of the important facts, points about latitudes. Now we will discuss about important parallels of latitude. So here you can see some of the important parallels of latitude. First you have North Pole. At 90° north, you have North Pole. Then you have Arctic Circle. That is 66.5° north. Then you have Tropic of Cancer. That is 23.5° north. And then you have Equator, 0°, which is the largest parallel, largest latitude. Then you are moving towards south, and then you have Tropic of Capricorn, which is 23.5° south. Then we have Antarctic Circle, which is 66.5° south. And at last you have the South Pole at 90° south. So in this you can see we have two poles, North Pole and South Pole, and four important parallels of latitude. That is Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. These are the four main parallels of latitude. Our next topic is longitudes. Now longitude is an imaginary line which is used to find a place east or west of the prime meridian or the 0° longitude. So likewise latitude, longitude also help us to find a place, to locate a place, but it is in the east or west. The latitudes help us to locate the place in north and south, and longitude help us to locate the place in east or west. Now like we have equator on the 0°, 0° equator is the largest and important latitude which divides the earth into two equal parts. The same way we have 0° longitude, which is prime meridian. So prime meridian is the 0° longitude, like equator is the 0° latitude. Now the equator help us to locate the place in north and south, and prime meridian, which is a 0° longitude, help us to locate the place in east or west. This prime meridian is also known as Greenwich meridian. Now when we talk about latitudes, we saw that latitudes are having, we can see the latitudes till 90°. On 90° we have poles. So till 90° we have latitudes. But when we talk about longitudes, we have longitudes numbered up to 180° to the east and west of the prime meridian. Now 180° meridian and prime meridian together form a circle, and it cuts the earth into two equal parts. One is eastern hemisphere and other is western hemisphere. Now we will discuss about some of the important facts of the longitudes. Now we have GMT. What is the meaning of GMT? So GMT means Greenwich Mean Time. Why it is called Greenwich Mean Time? It is called Greenwich Mean Time because the prime meridian, that means 0 degree longitude, passes through Greenwich, and this Greenwich is a village which is near to London. So it passes through Greenwich, and that is why it is called Greenwich Mean Time. Now the time which we follow in India is known as IST, that is Indian Standard Time. Now there is difference between Greenwich Mean Time and IST, that is Indian Standard Time. So the difference which we have in GMT and IST is Indian Standard Time is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of Greenwich Mean Time. That means if it is one if it is 9 p.m. of Friday according to GMT, Greenwich Mean Time, then in India according to IST, Indian Standard Time, it will be 6:39 p.m. Friday. So you can see there is 5 hours 30 minutes difference in the time of GMT and IST. IST is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of GMT. Now when we talk about India, it lies in the eastern hemisphere, and whereas United States of America lies in the western hemisphere. Now we will discuss about some of the facts about lines of longitude. So you can see a red color line which is prime meridian, which starts from North Pole and ends at South Pole. From North Pole to South Pole we have a red color line which is prime meridian. So if you can see when it is going towards east, it is going 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree, 40 degree, 50 degree, till like this it is going till 180 degree. When you will go towards west, you can see 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree, it will also go till 180 degree. So this prime meridian and 180 degree meridian together form a circle. So you can see we have in eastern hemisphere also we have 180 degree, in western hemisphere also we have 180 degree. So the total circle is of 360 degree. So here we can understand some of the important facts about this longitude. So longitudes are known as meridians. They run in north-south direction, from north to south. It measures distance east or west of the prime meridian, are farthest apart at the equator and meet at the pole. They cross the equator at right angles. When they cross the equators, they make a 90 degree angles. Lie in planes that pass through the Earth's axis. They are equal in length. If we talk about latitude, the largest one is equator, and after that the size of the latitude decreases. But here all the longitudes are equal in length. You can see, and they are not parallel. They are meeting at North Pole. They are halves of great circles. So you can see this is divided into two halves, eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. Now through this picture you can understand the Greenwich meridian, which the prime meridian is also known as Greenwich meridian, and you can see the Greenwich which is in square, white square, and you can see the Greenwich meridian which is running from north pole to south pole, which is also known as prime meridian, which is 0 degree longitude. Now you can see equator which is in yellow color, which is also 0 degree, but it is a latitude, 0 degree latitude. So equator is the largest latitude, and after equator the size of the latitudes decrease. The latitudes are parallels, they never meet each other. But when we talk about the meridians, meridians are not parallel, they are of same length, and they run to from north to south. And as this prime meridian passes through Greenwich, which is a village in London, it is also known as Greenwich meridian. Now we have some of the word meanings. Here we have the first word, accurately. Accurately means correctly, sahi, bilkul sahi. Next is depict. Depict meaning, the meaning of depicted is show, dikhana, darshana. Next is elevation. The meaning of elevation is height, ऊंचाई. Next is geographical. Geographical means any physical point on the earth. That is geographical. Imaginary. Imaginary means unreal, काल्पनिक, जो वास्तविक नहीं है. That is imaginary. Next is parallel. Parallel means side by side. मतलब जो समान रूप से चल रहा हो, समांतर, जिसमें हर जगह समान अंतर हो, समान अंतर के साथ चलने वाला होता है समांतर. That is parallel. I hope you all understood all the topics taught in this video. Thank you.